Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the change in state of a matter or change in state of a substance, and also we learned about the how the solid gets converted into liquid and how the liquid gets converted into gas and how the gas gets converted into liquid, and also so how the liquid state gets converted into solid state, and also how the ice cube gets converted into water, and how the water gets converted into water vapor, and also how the water vapor gets converted into water, and how the water gets converted into ice cube. So all those we discussed here in this class. And ice cube, and what happened ice cube on heating, and what happened water on heating, and what happened vapor on cooling, and what happened water on cooling. So all these things we discussed here in this class, so within a few examples. Okay, here change in state of a matter when an object is heated, so there will be a rise in its hotness. The state of matter changes due to heat. So when an object is heated, there will be a rise in its hotness. Okay, so suppose an object when it is heated, then rise in its hotness. Okay, the state of matter changes due to heat only. So here we shall discuss some phenomena of physical states. Okay, so write the states of matter in the following situation. So ice cube on heating, so when the ice cube gets converted into water. So and also water on heating, it gets converted into water vapor. So on heating, water vapor gets converted, on heating water gets converted into water vapor. So okay, on cooling, water vapor gets converted into water. So on cooling, water gets converted into ice. So I will once again repeat it. On heating, ice cube gets converted into water, and also on heating, water gets converted into water vapor. On cooling, water vapor gets converted into water. So on cooling, water gets converted into ice. So okay, these are the four phenomena that we observed in the change in the state of matter, so due to heating and cooling. Okay, so okay, yeah, matter changes its state from one form to another due to heat. This is called change in states of substance. So okay, I will once again repeat it. Matter changes its states from one form to another due to heat. This is called as change in states of a substance. So okay, when the matter changes from one state to another state due to heat, this is called change in states of a substance. Okay, so we will ask questions like this. So what is change in state of a substance? Then you should give the answer. Matter changes its state from one form to another due to heat. So this is called change in state of a matter. Example, ice gets converted into water due to heat. So here ice is in a solid state and water is a liquid state. Here solid state changes into liquid state due to the heat. Okay, I will once again repeat it. Change in states of matter are ice cube gets converted into water on heating, and water gets converted into water vapor upon heating, and water vapor gets converted into water upon cooling, and water gets converted into ice upon cooling. Okay, so on heating many solids change into liquid state. So okay, upon heating many solids changes into liquid state. Example, ice is in a solid state. When you are heating ice, so then ice gets converted into water. So water is a liquid state. So effect of heat on a matter, so depends upon the level of hotness. Okay, your effect of on a matter depends upon the, so how the matter gets converted into another form, so that will depends upon the level of the hotness. So on increase in the heat, okay, on increasing the heat, the solid changes into liquid, and also liquid changes into gas. So in the same way, cooling gas changes into liquid, and also so liquid changes into solid. Here solid changes into liquid upon heating, and liquid changes into gas upon heating, and also gas gets converted into liquid upon cooling, and also liquid gets converted into solid upon cooling. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Solid gets converted into liquid upon heating, liquid gets converted into gas upon heating, and also gas gets converted into liquid upon cooling, and liquid gets converted into solid upon cooling. So here is a the change in states of a matter is a continuous reversible process. So here two heating processes are involved and two cooling processes are involved. Okay, so here ice cube is in a solid state. So when we are eating ice cube, here ice cube gets converted into water. So here water is a liquid state. So next again, water is a liquid state. So when we are eating water, so water gets converted into water vapor. Water gets converted into water vapor upon heating. So here water vapor is a gaseous state. Okay, so this is a change in state of a substance. And again, water vapor is a gaseous state, so it gets converted into water upon cooling. So water vapor is a gaseous state, so it gets converted into water. Water is a liquid state upon cooling. Okay, so next again, water gets converted into ice cube upon cooling. Water is a liquid state, so when the water is cooling, so water gets converted into ice cube. Ice cube is a solid state. So here cooling is maintaining the temperature so less than 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, here activities that take a broken piece of a glass bangle. So by heating, bend it into required shape, stick it on a cardboard. Okay, so when we are heating glass bangle, so we get which shape we want. Okay, here four physical phenomena are involved. So when the solid gets converted into liquid, so upon heating, okay, here solid changes into liquid. This phenomena we call it as melting. So and liquid changes into gaseous state upon heating. So this phenomena we call it as evaporation. Here water gets changes into water vapor upon heating. This process we call it as evaporation. Again, gas gets water vapor gets converted into water upon cooling. This process we call it as condensation. And again, water gets converted into ice cube upon cooling. This process we call it as freezing. Here four phenomena are involved: melting, evaporation, condensation and freezing. So in next class we discuss more things. Thank you one and all.